Hello everyone, so here comes our today's question. The inlet pipe of the tank takes 6 hours to fill it, and when there was a leakage, so the leakage was for the whole time, for the whole 6 hours, and then that inlet pipe took more 40 minutes to fill the tank, which means the flow through the inlet pipe in 40 minutes is equal to the flow through leakage in 6 hours. So this will be our equation. Now let's convert this 40 minutes into hours by dividing with 60, and this will be the final equation. So we have to determine that how much time the leakage will take in order to empty this tank. So now we will change the previous equation and multiply both sides with 9. Then the left hand side becomes equal to the flow through inlet in 6 hours, which is equal to flow through leakage in 54 hours. This means inlet pipe takes 6 hours to empty the full tank. On the other hand, the leakage will take 54 hours. So the right answer is 54 hours.